Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Saurag Vlogs. आज चाहिँ मैले एउटा product unboxing को video लिएर आएको छु. So this is Sony ZV E10. So beginner friendly vlogging camera. I'm एकदम excited छु. Thanks to Sulata, Elise. Thank you guys. And यो चाहिँ मेरो birthday gift हो. So आज म unbox गर्दै छु Sony को ZV E10. It's a very cool camera, very compact camera, and it comes with 16 to 50 mm kit. र अहिलेको प्राइस अनुसार अस्ट्रेलियामा it's this, so $11.99. So let's unbox it. Alright, so के छ त्यभित्र? So just like any other things, just the product documentations, manuals, paperwork. Right, so charger. Oh, okay, so I guess this is two different. I assume they're for batteries. Alright, so this is Sony NP-FW50 battery, 120 mAh. Okay. So यसमा के छ हेरौँ. Okay, so this is wind filter. Very handy tool to like record video in the windy condition. यो हामी लगाएर हेर्छौँ अहिले. अहिलेलाई मैले यसमाथि नै राखेँ. So अर्को कुरा के छ त यसमा. Okay, so alright, so it has a different charger. So हाम्रो नेपालतिर यस्तो चार्जर, अस्ट्रेलियामा यस्तो चार्जर, अनि maybe some other countries they have this kind of charger. So तीनटा डिफरेंट चार्जर दिएको रहेछ. एकदमै सही हो किनभने ट्राभल गर्दाखेरि सजिलो हुने भयो यसरी तीनटा खालको चार्जर भएपछि. अनि त्यसपछि right, so I guess this is an adapter to connect this charger to the actual camera charger. And this is a data cable, and we've got this Sony straps, nice little one. So this पछि अब हाम्रो final चीज चाहिँ very exciting, हाम्रो camera. Let me open it. So this is Sony को ZV E10 camera. Alright, so this is a camera guys, and it has this 16 to 50 mm kit lens, and you can see here on and off and record button. So I guess this is just the mode button. This is very handy, like zoom tool. I guess it has zoom tool here in the camera as well. So यो चाहिँ I assume for microphone. Alright, so it's got a nice beautiful screen here, which you can take this out like this, and if you're shooting this way you can use it either this way, or if you are shooting yourself you can shoot this way. So it's just by the razor, but if you're just shooting at the front it's nice and tucked in. So microphone छ यहाँ. Microphone लाई wind proof बनाउनको लागि हाम्रो यो wind proof छ. हामी चाहिँ यसरी यसलाई हाल्यो भने यसरी चाहिँ एकदमै windy condition मा shoot गर्न नि मिल्दो रहेछ. So अघि भने जस्तै same other camera जस्तै function छ. अलि प्लास्टिक build रहेछ. यसमा चाहिँ अलि धेरै प्लास्टिक भएको जस्तो लाग्यो. अनि सबभन्दा handy feature चाहिँ zoom रहेछ यहाँ हातमा नै सर zoom गर्न मिल्ने. अनि त्यसपछि अरु हामी हेरौँ यहाँनिरबाट यसरी चाहिँ अनलक गर्न मिल्दो रहेछ. Open. Okay, so this is where the battery goes. So the battery along. Perfect. And यसमा SD card चाहिँ ठुलो खालको लाग्दो रहेछ. माइक्रो SD नै कि हाम्रो के भन्छ त्यसलाई SD जस्तो SD card. यसमा त्यसको लागि जसमा एउटा कन्भर्टर चाहियो यदि you have small SD card. And let me lock this one. So yeah, very compact, very small, very friendly camera. So let's turn it on. Alright, this is what I got in this Sony ZV E10 video. So it's a really nice camera, 4K camera, and this is what I've got here. Alright guys, you saw the unboxing video of Sony ZV E10 4K camera. So आजको मैले भ्लगमा चाहिँ यो Sony ZV E10 क्यामेरामा चाहिँ के कुराहरु आएको छ अनि यसको फिचरहरु, यसको बटनहरु के कस्तो छ भनेर मैले देखाएको छु. Hope you enjoyed this video and maybe you find this video like informative. If you are thinking of buying a Sony ZV E10, I want you to go and do some research before you buy something. So I'm not promoting anything here. So अब चाहिँ मैले यो क्यामेरा लिएको छु, यसबाट मैले भ्लगहरु बनाउँछु. You should check my YouTube channel and let me know how it goes. Because I was only making videos using the GoPro where I did not have the zoom function. So मलाई zoom function चाहिएको थियो, त्यही भएर पनि मैले यो क्यामेरा लिएको. And like I said, this was gifted. Thank you to Elise and thank you to Sulata, and thank you all for watching this video today. If you have anything to say, if you have any comment, don't forget to do that. And until I make another exciting video, thank you so much and see you next time.